the heart of stone, the walls are cold and scarred, where the phantom shadow figures are. Down by the gates there sing a lark. She comes at the break of dawn, the rays fall on her dress. You know she used to be a silhouette deep in the heart of stone. And every day she comes to say, look up, look at the dawn. Yes, I escaped the shadows once I listened to his song. But they say, look how she goes. She gave herself away, her crown, her throne. Like a fool, like a renegade, now wasting her days in a better youth, on her tricks and charades, but we see right through. Look how she goes. Deep in the heart of stone, no fire, no flame, no spark can overtake or tame the dark. Her freedom, they're very fond. Sing along, 3 cheers for Babylon. She goes at the break of dawn in that same sun golden dress. You know she's waiting for the silhouettes. Then sang the nightingale. And every day she comes to say, look up, look at the dawn. Yes, I escaped the darkness once I heard and sang along, but no one sang along. They say, look how she goes. She gave herself away, a desert rose. But a delusional runaway, got stars in her hair, walks on the moon. It's a new light mirage, but we see right through. Look how she goes. And down by the gates a dove sang with the girl, and suddenly some heard the morning call. They held with their eyes the dawn, and 3 cheers for Babylon sounded strange as they turned to say, look how